Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Dover, Ontario, a charming town on the north shore of Lake Erie. As we drive through, you'll see a community rich in history and natural beauty. Port Dover's story begins long ago. Indigenous peoples, including the Algonquin and later the Attawandaron, lived here for centuries. In 1794, Lieutenant Governor John Graves Simcoe named the town Dover after the English port. By the early 19th century, Port Dover had become a flourishing community, benefiting from its strategic location on Lake Erie, which facilitated trade and fishing. One of the town's landmarks is the Port Dover Lighthouse. The original lighthouse was built in 1845, but was destroyed by fire in 1848. A new lighthouse was constructed in 1905 and still stands today, guiding boats safely into the harbor. Port Dover is also known for its vibrant community events. Every Friday the 13th, the town hosts a motorcycle rally that attracts thousands of visitors from across North America. As we continue our drive, you'll notice the town's blend of historical charm and modern amenities. From its scenic waterfront to its lively main street, Port Dover offers a welcoming atmosphere for residents and visitors alike. Thanks for watching!